Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow, Dinoca King. Yeah.
Will win the season title. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's goal.
Oh my god, it's Smokey. Yeah.
Tell her she's a fluffy cloud. What? No. Smokey, tell her.
You are a fluffy cloud.
Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
A Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty. You see.
Whoa, this is Chihik's track. Yeah.
Forecast. 100% chance of. Kachuga! Say it with me. Kachuga!
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
I've got this.
This is Mack. Wow. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah.
Kachuga! Kachuga! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Bring on the confetti. Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti.
This is Lightning McQueen.
Style!
Spinning dragon attack!
Yeah!
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Holy cow! It's Jackson Storm for the win. A huge.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez.
Oh, yeah!
Tomica.
I got you. Look out, it's gonna blow. Get him to the hospital. Stat. He's overheating.
Doc Hudson. Yeah. Wow, Francesco.
Here comes the dirt. Oh boy, Francesco, folks. Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Dinoca King. Cow Tractor. Cool. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Cow tractor. Cool. Cool. Chick-chicks.
Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. What's wrong with everybody? Ow! Where's the happiness? Hey, this is the start of the chick era.
Who is that? Sally.
That's just oh. Just gonna be going. Yeah.
This is Lightning McQueen. This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
One reason Storm and the next gens are more.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Who is that? Tomica.
Be advised, explosive situation. Rescue squad Mater, we're counting on you.
10-4. I'm on it.
Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Order in the court.
Seems like my mind has been changed for me.
Wow, Francesco.
Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this, McQueen.
Dynacakin.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh,
But you're stupid.
Excuse me?